Do you want to enable audio and video call on X? You can turn on audio and video call on Twitter with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To enable audio and video calling on X, first, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on your profile icon or picture located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, scroll down slightly and tap on Settings and Support. Now, from the expanded section, tap on Settings and Privacy. A new screen will open with multiple settings options. From here, find and tap on Privacy and Safety, where you can manage your interaction settings. Again, a new screen will appear with different privacy options. From here, tap on Chats, which controls messaging and calling features. Now, look for the option Enable Audio and Video Calling. Turn the toggle switch on to enable audio and video calling on your account. You can also choose who can call you, such as people you follow or verified users, depending on the available options. Once done, audio and video calling will be enabled, and eligible users will be able to call you on X.